Let's hope I didn't get scammed. I spend a little bit too much time on AliExpress, just looking for deals or fun things to make videos about, or just weird things in general. It's a hobby of mine. I'm sorry. But I do have an AliExpress sponsorship, so I do have the ability to get stuff to review for free. So I took a gamble on this one, because if we look at the listing for this item, every single picture is AI generated. And I've found at least 4 different listings of this thing, all at different prices, and it's all the same AI generated images. But you know what? I'm just gonna take that gamble and see if you could trust this or not. And yeah, it's here. Oh, and by the way, if you didn't already, this video is sponsored by AliExpress.
Are you looking for amazing deals on just about anything? Check out AliExpress, your one-stop shop for millions of products at unbeatable prices. Whether you're hunting for the latest tech gadgets, trendy fashion, home essentials, or unique finds you won't find anywhere else, AliExpress has it all. Plus, with buyer protection and secure payment options, you can shop with confidence. And the best part, they deliver right to your door, no matter where you are. With sellers from around the world, you'll discover an incredibly variety and prices that won't break the bank. So why pay more? Head to AliExpress today and start saving on everything you love. AliExpress, shop smart, spend less.
Now let's just unpack this and see what's in the box. The box doesn't say much. It just says the company's name, which is kind of funny because it's Orange AI Limited. So it's clear that they're using AI for marketing purposes at least. But I did get a product and it looks promising. So this is supposed to be a filament drying rack that's fully enclosed in a what looks like a vinyl cover to make it airtight. And I was hoping that I could use this to store all my PETG and my TPU filaments, because I don't use PETG or TPU that much. But when I do, I always have to dry it for like 4 hours, 8 hours, a full day before I do use it. So I thought this might be just my best solution. Instead of having individually wrapped things on a shelf, I can just have it all in one. So all of the filaments that needs to be kept dry, I could keep it here. And my thought was that I was gonna get a desiccant that I can reuse and just have that in this and just keep drying it out, which should be easy. I need to get that desiccant. I want to get that locally, not from overseas. But let's see what we got. So there's obviously 3 different lengths of pipe. These are really cheap pipe. Seems like the same kind of stuff that your drying racks and stuff are made of. Pretty standard stuff. There's corner pieces, clip-on pieces, which I guess is for the shelves, and then some mid pieces. So it's gonna be fun. And then there's the cover, and it comes with a little user manual. So let's pop that out and see if it's any useful. Right, the manual, I'm gonna see if it's any useful. Oh, it looks like. Okay, so there's a little installation or building guide. It's like Legos. That seems actually really nice. All right, so it's quite simple. We build the entire rack and then we put the cover on. So I guess there's nothing to it but to do it. So I'm guessing I'll move the camera a little bit closer and let's, actually no I can't because it's this big. So I'm gonna have to keep the camera there and I'm just gonna build it and let's see where we end up. well. That went pretty well. No big hiccups. Only took me that much time. I don't know. I didn't time it, but editor me will. Yeah, I'm surprised. This does look like the images. Given there's some AI generative stuff on the images that doesn't make sense. I'm gonna go find some spools and put them in, which is gonna be fun because I don't have that much filament here, as I've moved that to my other space. But let's go see what I can find. Well, that works. Yeah, I'm not sure what more to say about this thing. First of all, the AI generated stuff on the listing, I don't like it. Just grab some photos. Clearly, it does work. It does do its purpose. It does look decent. I would prefer to just buy a thing if I had the actual image instead of some AI generated image. But yeah, I really like this. I was hoping I would hate it because, I mean, it's AI generated images, and I was hoping to make a video about, oh, don't buy AI stuff. But in this case, yeah, just if you can justify the price. Yeah, so let's talk about the price. So I got this for free because AliExpress sponsored the video. The listings that I found was 50 something US dollars, 60, 80, 100, and 120 and 150. I found a lot of different prices for this thing. I just got the cheapest one I could find, and that's okay. Like the cheap price, 50 bucks. Yeah, that's totally within what this is worth. The 120, no. That being said, there is one issue, and I'll take this up with the seller. So I got this for 60 bucks US. And then I also paid for taxes, but then when it came with a taxes claim on it. So I had to pay another 50 bucks on top of that for my taxes. So that's not good. I'm gonna talk with the seller. I would be way more mad about that if I actually paid the initial 60 bucks, but I didn't. But then again, I shouldn't have had to pay those 50 bucks, that's money. It's money that I could have spent on other things like filament. And clearly, as you can see, I need filament because these are all, no, just kidding. These are mostly just spare spools that I have here in the workshop for different things. Yeah, this will probably go into my new filament storage at my new studio. I'll keep it here for now, but I'm moving studio soon, so this will go in there. I'll probably put this on a wall. I'll have to make some sort of wall mount for it. That's going to be interesting. But yeah, let me know what you think about the AI stuff. I think AI has a purpose, but not for this, not for generating images. Yeah. So if you like this product, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. That's an affiliate link that gives me a little bit of a kickback for making the video. And if you want to support my channel, that's how you do it. And I'll put some links for my other stuff, my website, a couple of other fun projects that I have in the description. Also, there should be some discount codes if you want to try to use those. So yeah, IFPY, I don't like it because of the AI stuff, but I do like the product. I'll probably get another one if I can. All right, like, share, subscribe, whatever, if that floats your boat. If not, that's your thing. Chaotic, but fun. Okay, I'm out. That's it. Weekend. It's no weekend. I have to edit the video and then upload and make the thumbnail and all that stuff. Yeah.